what you say?
Alaska, I think it's a way in for fraud because Akufo Addo move bebu and say no Ghana ni bia ndim sabi krono no mo de bebo Ghana for and the nsem no ya chire ma even when he was in power up to now.
That's right.
So there is nothing that we be can na ya new opa mo kasa mo de Ghana ko si kam koton ko ma China for ko gisla enyo obi anwa.
Okay.
Because the whole thing was a criminal enterprise or war that they were doing. So yeah, found mine who needy. Alaska, we've gotten to a point that the only thing Ghana near Siki and they say these people will be held to account. What are some Americano? And you know this particular report Babon since I hear comment you go here. So what are you doing? You prosecute them. You see, these facts are not ever yet repetitive. Ghana for no problem. Nti so we Ghana for your friend is saying sa issues of corruption in as for no na ya tia am for abre. People want to see the real prosecution. Okay. Man for pay face because krono say yenye frakadam then as for there. That was the beginning of Akufo Addo's government. And now no man na brantie bi call we be an can say and this is what taking advantage of a political situation. Political situation bang. Okay. Political situation was a situation you created. A messy situation. All aspects of this particular country, you destroy the country. From chrono upon chrono to chrono. Sabi chrono nyansa nsan nimi nka ho. Eno mo de bo Ghana for. Chirame one aspect of your national life under Akufo Addo. Chrono ni dream ankoso ha say. Nsam no ya kan mana for Ghana for. So issues like this are ya forensic audit. Na ya establish this critical factor. Committee BMBM. Okay. What are some Americano? So committee now but maybe to unravel a certain key things. But Ghana you know not to want to see these cases back in court. And those are so must be going to court frequently. There is this thing or mine bra ya prosecute. Alaska me who bid that say a buying now buying for Fráud power. Now that buying is performing economic indicators, everything is looking well. But a man for Buo Fusa buying no because in the previous administration that's on Namho. That's right. And for almost a week in the local social media, that is the feeling you get. Say Ghana for are worried, they are not satisfied with the slow pace of prosecution. So it's not a matter of who are you prosecuting and those facing prosecution, you know, how quickly are we doing it? You understand? I understand the Attorney General has a number of cases. How is the court also cooperating to ensure, say, some of these cases are prosecuted in a very urgent fashion? Emma will feel say, MPP pension. Now we are West and the weekends in a man for court. Oh, sir? Mr. Weekends in a man for court. Sunday and Saturday. Now people are in court. And you know, say a nyanse say and now want to win as a form of ye do more sema kese me no ma yas no no gentia income. You say he has enough freedom to be roaming around to say these things. I am not saying say yam bundle of being fan court, but Alaska, you see, some of these things, you know, give you Ghana for the feelings. The same thing, especially when you are coming from a background where people perceive say the political parties are the same. Oh, we bobo krono a ninu ba onya ne hwe. We bobo krono a ninu ba onya ne hwe no. You need to change the narrative. Sabe ya manfo be mu say sa ansem na ye kan no ente sa biem because say Ghana nia branche na need a ho. They want to see, they understand the issues. They want to see the back of those criminals back in court. All running as a form no issues in investigation no. Say na see na de wa we no when I will prosecute you. Now, it is almost impossible. So within 1 year, you expect to achieve a full criminal prosecution. That's right. Because of the processes that you need to go through. Because in a criminal prosecution, you are proving beyond every reasonable doubt. Alaska, and yet doubt to any letter or crown you cannot win your case. And yet on the balance of probability, now can say, your friends said no credit no change and thrown into no credit debate. No. you need to prove beyond every. So it's a tough call, but you need to start from somewhere. Certain sense of urgency must be attached.
That's right.
And these investigations, people must also be in the know. And again, recently, say some monies have been recovered. It's good, say some monies have been recovered. But who on who, and people want to know. You see, you make a mistake when you think that politics today is like 1990, when you can just, no. And that's some no can. Abrantia no tip joma o yitre no a wadwene say ebia onko school no obebisa question say wuji sika no hwan na oji free here.
Okay.
I want to know that person, so that I'll be sure say this person enti ochina no ye kan ye betimi abo Alaska din say Alaska bo kro no na yaji we ye free ne ho. What as here na yaji sika hwan na yaji free ne ho. That will even also create suspicion, and that will say nya no kre, because especially because of Ghana new politics na ye wo ma e free ma ba no. It may be true, but the person will not even believe it. You understand? Right. So I think the whole strategy needs to change. Yen shifted from your friend said this defensive line to more your friend is saying an attacking line of politics. Not attacking so what attack you no. Obia what from mine there or no they can attack your mind. No? So you need to go Fuji on that person and make sure that because my cousin said in the next 4 years. There is no but there is nothing you say to convince Ghana for without being able to prove say these criminals have been prosecuted.
That's right.
That is the only thing. And I know na me some runs we on online. I mean who said I never quite gain trashing Emma man for two about the way they voted. Oh, I not can who be.
Okay.
Yeah, baby, because Alaska we were convinced say I want for the Yesika wo. I want for bon kwasi akoro no because na no na me bisa branch and say PDS. Was it something NDC created? PDS was a classic example of political corruption where functionaries of the Akufo Addo government were even heard on tape. I almost check Kenya Commission. I
was watching that.
Yes. Too. Alaska, at the end of the day, why a president the car say me for investigating umpo. Sputnik V, a home near buyer Kwabraneso could sign contract abra 1 minute home.
I know Namsa.
Yes, I'm challenge you because he's working free. But what they forget in this Alaska, the Yaka political corruption, and you'll be able to if you foolishly spend on money sika, you can go to jail. Because the law says that willful causing financial loss to the state. Right. Willful doesn't mean say what this can know. Even misappropriation crano. And as a misapplication, grab a sikano corner. And yet so in dealing with public financial management, even foolish exercise of discretion crano can send you to prison.
But Tatu Chikata went to prison not because he spent
yes. Or sign guarantee for a bank. Guarantee no sign you want faka prendi. Or sorry them near Kwache, no. A man for free airport to ban the police force and this is the culture. I am deeply invested and these people can tell you say you need money pa na wa Jáil no. And the Akufo Addo government was a canker. A cancer eating deep into the fabric of our society. I don't see a development. I draw back several years. Who be a jina Sanko lay any proper solid foundation and the SA Sanka yet to so I dine year boss na ye kwa
That's right.
But John Mahama by the first 1 year, he had to lay a foundation. Foundation the Korean building we ye. And Sunday ye baby sit there so and Alaska office ye be pentia we and sana 4 years aba. And Sanya man akoso atwe asan no. We cannot just slam the door on it and say you move. No. In politics you don't do that. Culture say whenever you create aura of weakness around you, you are doomed forever. Because human beings, we always scan around to look for weakness. We look for because my culture said for even corruption and so forth to exist, you need to look for incentives. About exploited situations and so forth. So we are buying what the NSA won't take those opportunities, those incentives, you take it away. Now we're making sure that the corruption becomes a high risk venture. Nipa the sani kono. Koyuko yenwian ma no mo nenam ha and the president of South Korea. South Korea former president that prison says he has been sentenced for life. For life oh. Now the last year on another president.
That's right.
To say Akufo Addo or them for life.
And Akufo Addo na say when UN appointments.
Alaska. That is the reality. So I'm happy Ghana for so much conscious today. They want to be part of the politics. I want to see the people because these are clear case of corruption. Nipano afa frakadam at the account to a bank just make it look like say or transfer sika go account, but indeed there is no account as
That's right.
Na kwabrania faso na sika no hwehwa unhu. Yetimi ya transfer from Ghana commercial bank say they call na sika na yira okwam na ye cholet di eche sika no wo he ye unhu besi ne obi anya explain where that particular money went. And then young people obia ni da so ne say so obey police ni na obey soldier ni obi kura how the two kura man don't be fan nante but still opposite obey police ni soldier. All because of desperation, all because adwuma ni ho Alaska. So sa sika we num nyina jejia anase di ye bibia e bia nketimi kreti nyuma man for ye. National Cathedral just imagine say a factory. Hey. National Cathedral just imagine say enka ye one of the biggest emergency center isi ho. Enka wo bi number bi na car bowa. Nya fe ne yedo kokolebu ye meka say empa ni hanti kona ko wu. Enka betim wo akosa trauma center na ewo National Cathedral no nipa nim nyansa ndi wo kanyansa sem okroma na ye di nsem hunu na asofo soso ye nkosi cathedral. Ena emergency tools sia na woni ma bi edo ko. Ko ya do ko regia ye bepamo ye do ko kolebu e bepamo e baka cho se hwa ye ma na Ghana nkwa na muhu se san emergency etimi pam ni pase yemfa nko baabi minti bi da o me life emergency ni apam se yemfa nko baabi foforo ye de be ye wo because there is no trauma center anywhere the enya ya se ye no ye nya asofo gitram no omo na omo ye Boakye ne na asefo no se yanko nkofa boa free Israel ne yemfa meto ho na nyankopo Alaska chese nsem no ahumte so sa niema we na keka boss so a share Ghana fo abufu abedu a point ya all that they want to see is to see the back of these people. So me maka Attorney General no pressure, but I think that he has to, fasten his things up. And one thing I think there's some mitigating against him, so has to do with the fact that he is also an MP.
That's right.
So looking at the prosecution now, as a Attorney General, no, I think that we needed somebody on your MP.
Okay.
You're free to do a lot of things. What I say, because you are preoccupied with being MP and being an AG. No nipo mo bokro no ye dan ma wo dealing with them.
Even though attend to your constituents.
Even though he has a deputy. But you see, the case in a normal day, an MP can be an Attorney General and still function properly with a deputy. But Alaska, this is not a normal time. We are talking at the back of a criminal organization that took over this country, exploited and stole from the country, where majority of the people are involved in the issues I say investigating.
So you suggest because of he being MP and also AG, and as a president person, yen changing on yempe obia, never so obe devote the whole life and then the time for that.
Now let's say you can be an MP if you want to devote your time to, you can still devote your time, but it would have been less cumbersome for a person on your MP.
Okay.
What does someone make say? So that you avail your man. What does sorry we need parliament be akwatena. We need constituency be or no Fráud na honorable no honorable be we dey say prosecution. So we take it after we investigate. I understand say Attorney General no one investigation no.
Okay.
Or team na say for normal or no more. But your personal distance sometimes is also needed. What I say? Because you need to advise, and aside that, any single decision be a government be take be a policy, a international, whatever be the advice of the Attorney General is also needed. Where Ghana kobobo siya kurana, the AG's advice and the consent is also needed. Not just that, other departments who raise there are certain key decisions there. Contract be a you need the advice of the Attorney General. I am not saying that the Attorney General as a person and yes, because it's a team, but most of them has to go through his desk.
Is the arrowhead?
Yes, because as let them to me Attorney General office now approve, but Attorney General no him and assemble when they defend them.
That's right.
What I said, even the deputy crown will have to pass it to his boss. So the Ajumano is an overwhelming kind of way, and also no. Emma who said that the way away back on ever corner, sir. So I think that you see going forward, We just knew. That is why I've always proposed a fine special prosecutor office by in Alaska. You will say you useless office, me boy. You free her. And President Mahama said politically, to not be wise, so be you free her because this is somebody who has also promised to fight corruption. Ko you free because and there's also person in crew for kutu pass on about chrono. And you know, or man our say, oh man our dear Alaska. Chrono no, young money be. Now young Forson no nya jumano. Because the guy has been playing games. I don't even know what he's doing there. For some time now, then also, yeah, wouldn't take some
of draw salaries. I can see.
Yes, and I'll be a bulletproof cars not in the name criminal as a form. I said, yeah, trust your best assassination this 20 times or change Jack Chine. Kill a channel. Now, Akufo Addo no can no sell mine or no crano or a man for deaf we young corner. So now I want to name chance special prosecutor. One was prosecuting no croma into Bisrona and then the other deaf threat back on us. Or no one prosecuting no. I could go prosecute will be that. No man for the Nibra Bowser. So I think there this time round the office in the best there. You're making sure that some of these cases, no, you're pushing no. Now I'm working hand in hand with Attorney General. Now you're speeding up these cases of prosecution because young people can go on TV and dare you. So also my be a cheme.
Seriously?
Yes. People walking around with scandals. People walking around with birthmarks of corruption.
And wouldn't you crash or called national?
Yeah, because after all, then also me ya cheme. So I think that we see we need to redefine the moment. I think people are getting cozy and very comfortable. Power and I tell you how grab that down. Well, Alaska 4 years so.
That's right.
Wouldn't say you do December market 2 years. You do December market 2 years so. When you buy house now to see and with you also don't have a master plan even when it comes to succession. Why never people are not even sure of those things. We are not careful. What they you bet na 40 years, you bet na 40 years. Remember house now after 4 years cry no. Na ebeji egu no. I think because for me, I think the foundation President Mahama is laying is quite solid. And if you look at how these people messed up with this particular way, Senke to us to say in the next way, Alaska, Ghana be to pay the more through baby. Because the way at Niamana shall say it's in line with some of us our expectations. But how to sustain is another thing. And it's also sustaining trust and confidence. And the only way to achieve that. And they say, in terms of prosecution and as a for such issues will be taken seriously. Baby, I just through Bisuno. My young who said this person asset has been frozen because I think that you say over 1.something million in terms of asset has been frozen. Why no high asset and the people of this country deserve to know who and who. You understand? Because people do their politics in their own homes. So
that's right.
So almost when you know swanya bibiaka na yajisika na hwan na yajini ni nupakra. Alaska, people can read their own meaning. It doesn't even embolden anything.
Because enti ebeye yeni. The cameraman kasa auditor general report is something I've always complained about. Yeah, then we wake up say we are trying to find solution to say this particular way is a special auditor things abra John Mahama government take over no a lot of receipts were submitted to the finance ministry say a car in the pasta abinda no bogu ho enti omuntua and some had gone through various verification processes omo eklemu say omo aye nyuma ene na sefonom so government had to pay so ubakaya abra transition no because the finance minister make his announcement say all payments should be suspended pending investigation because he realized that most of the sikana manfo mo claim say abandi omo kano somewhere nothing but palpable falsehood. Into the audit service of Ghana in collaboration with PricewaterhouseCoopers and your friend saying other your friends say EY engage yes said omonya forensic audit into some of these things and shocking some of the nema omo uncover and for me sa nema we nyina di ho dance nema akoso in the last 8 years when some of us were out there saying say the Akufo Addo turning this particular country into a crime scene. There was no leadership, nobody was in charge of the country. So people, the junior lieutenants, were liberated to steal and rob from this state with impunity. So at the end of the day, if you don't have proper leadership in position, so that is why these petty criminals were liberated to steal the way that they did. For instance, 68.7 million claims almost say a man for a Juma. And so back one district one way now omoka hwasem no and also no yesi amamfo akoye nyuma oji loan and asa kwaje bosen a loan no ye da chew aban de betua. So at the end of the day they use fake bank ne na se for no omo de agum krata mu a omo process payment e go through say asuma se baji loan na ehun interest ne yesi yetua. So the man sat down and realized in some way so he wrote to the banks and engaged them and realized there was nothing like a minor to any of the banks scanning and so forth. So these are the actual realities confirming the fact that indeed these people took the opportunity to do nothing but to rob the state. It's as simple as that. And there are several instances we cry the tip of the iceberg. There are several instances a minor contract will be say on supply a more 50,000 metric tons of rice. Obekone ye tua ho kan nyina manipa no the over supply ebia 20,000 kra enuru. Obeni ya mo obisika say on supply yen ye friend saying maize over 113,000 metric tons. The nipa no beba no ebia 20,000 kra enuru na ye tua ne ka. Sa audit we nyina and they falsify document to make it look like say it has been supplied. Obekono na store na as we receive that item no I falsify invoice. I actually say what receive but the supplier had not supplied it. These are some of the criminal activities and you see some of these things, until you sit down to do some of these forensic audits. So that is why the finance minister is saying even one district, one factory over 300 million they have to further subject it to critical inquiry to be able to ascertain that indeed South figure no more can earn or cry because say interest payments that's amount for a cookie figures then can you believe the actual figure? No. And that tells you clearly say you see people took over this country to steal from the state because it is about us, our family.
Was it deliberate or it was done at the blind?
No. It was deliberate. Falsifying documents, it can never be by accident. Nippon supply at them fan command store now falsify documents. So payments should be issued. There are instances where interim payment certificates were issued, but because
here is the case. There are procurement processes.
Yes, no, it's not a procurement process. They can go through the payment process, and falsify documents. For instance, we are buying a juma. Now say, opesa wokwaju usika. Why a juma na we no? There is a project manager, and I say, the engineer or the supervisor. Our baba share juma say the juma na wose we no. Why we? So he issue something we call the IPC, which is the interim payment certificate. Or issue a say a juma no why? Our buy be inspected. So certificate then you send it to the the department of our jumano. So when they see it and then so I go ahead to authorize payment then as a forum, the various transfers will be done to the banks and the banks will issue what we call the BTA, that is the bank transfer advices, also then Saka and the confirm say indeed payment has been made. So in this case, these certificates were issued but no job and some of this bank transfer has been effected but the work were not done, you understand? So these are pure case of fraud. That is why audit I conclude this some of the money cannot be paid even though some have been verified. About 45 million has been verified. Almost 8.1 has been rejected. 8.1 1 billion in the BTAs and 7.1 the IPCs, which is the interim payment certificate which has been issued. And there is a staggering over 13 outstanding one omo enyan determine has to be determined. You understand? So it is good say Abina take time to verify all these things. These fictitious payments among for falsified documents yes one in go Abina say Abina ebetua because so what the Abina can not all necessary documentation has been processed. The next thing is to for to accounts, and this is what these people have done. You understand? So you see, corruption no, and yes, a good year. That is why you see the public pressure on Attorney General saying these people came to steal, and it's quite obvious. We want to see them being prosecuted. There is no way around it, and I pray that the Attorney General will speed up this particular process and the prosecution. I understand there are a number of dockets. So far, my checks say about 27 dockets are available. In the coming days, you know, these people will be going to court. And I'm urging the Chief Justice and the judiciary also to speed up things. You see, you need to read the mood of the state. You need to look at the demands of the people, because you see, when trust and confidence in the people, no, I will draw now the BBS here. Everybody will be in danger. You understand? So we are judiciary. You must also gauge the mood of the state. The people at this point want these people to be prosecuted in a very speedy fashion. So you need to make sure, sir, Attorney General, so an investigation, you will not be to anymore. You allow the prosecution to go on. You understand? Sir, best satisfy the demands of the people, because modern governance, you know, the people are not sitting afar. They are with you in the room. Anything that is happening, they are involved. So anything to exclude them, anything I bet cut it, their concerns, you know, you will end up endangering one because of the prospect of whatever government that you set up. It's the reason why you go on social media and elsewhere now. People are aggressive because and they are there being who see I say happen Akufo Addo buy more. For instance, some of these your friends saying payment where you can once district assemblies, ministries, and some of them say omatoto nema ebi ma contract and so for them. Some of them ended up to be a lie. Onyama obi adwuma obi enyan supply anything. There are instances where they claim say obi adwuma there was nothing like adwuma na campus obi aye. But vouchers has been prepared, it has been authorized, payment has been signed, and so for to be issued.
So all these things are mostly done by either the accountant or the finance officers. And what are we telling them? What are we doing to them?
No. It's not a matter of accountant and answer way. You see, if you look at the structure out there now, there are authorization coming because sometimes one away accountant now to now your friends the minister as sign say your job is to push the papers. You understand?
Just like that.
No, you do verification, but anya accountant you want to grants are quite
why then I said this or verification.
That is what I'm saying, sir. The very people who are pushing this paper knowing say it is fake, they are allowing it to go through. No, they are the very people who should be investigated, and that is why the investigation has been set up. There are a number of people at this point in time. I think either UOCO or one of the agencies, National Bureau of Investigation. I'm told there are about 140 people. Cecia or more question or more as to their involvement in and so forth. I'm saying, sir, you see, the slow pace, you know, people are not happy. People are not satisfied with the rate at which things are going. And at the end of the day, say Kwaku na involved or investigating, let people know. Say you're confiscating Kwaku asset and let people know. Say Kwaku's asset has been confiscated. And you can't do anything behind the scenes. You can't do anything in the dark because at this point, you know, the average Ghanaian is enlightened. There is no special language that a politician will speak that the average person doesn't understand. You understand? So also what Jessica Fráud let people know why what freezing asset, and that will settle the kind of pressure and tension. So I think that at any stage in this particular process, you know, the average ordinary person must be informed, must be involved in the process, because you see, corruption they are there over the years. And people go to politics and answer okwaya abanyadwuma okowura abanmu because okwa ayeni take it or di and that has been the impression. Enti nipa no kwa kwan obefa so obebo bia nkwase akro no di ayeye bi obefa so, especially when the leader in charge no so enye obi a oye interested in fighting corruption, because all these things are koswa yebo Attorney General tisui what can I say bisa ho say eba ne say na oman ye wo ma ye o mpanyin wo investigative agencies na se for wo de be ne besi amasa akro no we nyina akoso obi ahu wo bisa ho that particular question. Institutions wo ho How did this institution end up becoming lax?
Maybe such a question.
To the extent that they allow these things to go through. It shows that structurally, we have a problem. You understand? Because the institutions are just pushovers. Those who are supposed to sit down and do critical inquiry, question some of the payment. Because what's your office said, now the payment base authorized here. You should be able to question what has been done, prove for very satisfied indeed, because we signature consequences involved. So any payment you must, and it's the reason why I like your friends Ato Forson some of the corrective measures, because we're making sure say there are certain payment to a certain tuner. You can't sit at your office and authorize it. It has to go through the finance ministry, go through proper verification process, and these are some of the corrective measures as a we take it to stop some of these things, because nipa doesn't need it at any point in time. Onya obebiawo, onya power now the bedi nsemunu. My culture say what o faili now one establish the conventional red lines, one establish the protocols. So these are the consequences. Nipa beya the obeya fa ne ho adi. And in the case Ghana situation, for instance, where people think say, oh, a day nebesi, because asem no ba nipa na obo krono no obenya party for more defender no. Party ni onu sika no wi a na bia kaprekra wanya bi ani, but obeja na dwuma ha be defend. What I say? So I think that is the near my shifting away from now. You're making sure say we approach this politics with a single mindset. Yes, I did say majority of the people who are turn now any avenue say me ba for metal property. Look at Adubuahin, what he did. Sitting at the National Signals Bureau, one person, it's Mittenance Koto Estate. And then there are a lot of silly justification among for them, but he was doing it in the name of the state. Which state? What I say? Now we justify these things. Yet Chroma, and then I know many yet to Tibet and Abacatro, Obiare, car bono, Yafan was circle. You did not to ambulance him at Timia travel ward na could do Kolebu. You train him catch and say, why am I fan from a new year? Now, too, when he said, few years ago, you saw over millions of dollars could see National Cathedral, and yet too. Now, what beside was say, Sir place in the emergency trauma center. And Kaufo be carbona. That is the place you take the person to. Now, I'm saying, young men or my said, now we are reactionary people, we supported building. No, it's a hostile mixture of a lot. It's greed. It's attempt to say sika. Now, mine say mine no position he's not thinking about stupidity and this mindset. Oh, Kwame Nkrumah crying to me and Ghana. So that mindset is there. So he's not forward thinking. But you see, Ebia when I otchere car about you don't Kolebu because Abra, your friend say, na MPP minister we offer Kumasi, your friend is a former deputy minister of finance. Our friend is saying the John Kuma, yeah. Many source in his life, he ever thought to say or never fakrata say or call Suhum Hospital. A money team that because this is a person with a diplomatic passport, he has a passport, visas to travel to US. He never thought to say a maybe bedura you never call Suhum Hospital. Sanity, well we don't know where you have emergency. What I say, and to we be we are mine now team now winner. You plan to build proper healthcare because over to campaign, over to Boakye. And what you know what does an hospital do? At the end of the day, so on my journal, you look at these things. That is why the cathedral, some of us were insisting, say trauma center cry, and now say the biggest children hospital cry, young fancy. I ever offer the biggest pediatric care in the whole of the sub-region among for free outside Beba. State of the art facility in as a forum. Sebe bit me solve your problem. But mine obi obenya kwenye bia de bokrono and krono mobono are not in the pa omunko school. These are people who will tell you, they will give you tons of certificates from your friends at various universities around the world. And finance minister also on call university Kasia we no. And on a criminals as a detention center in America. How shameful it is because he's not ready to come back to his country to account to the people of this country. What I say? So I think there you see at this point, I understand there are a number of the John Mahama government are putting in place. I am making sure say the economy will ebenya 14 and now the economy no ejina ne mu a you could see clear things are okay but in terms of prosecution and then the MPP people are out there our muhuru government say ya bibia bechi ene what I say that is why the Attorney General the various investigative bodies need to come in and I know Yoko is dealing with a number of the cases. You see, don't deal with these cases in the dark. Let people. I know there are powerful people within the MPP who has been going to the Yoko in the events at odd hours. Great, but people don't know. You understand? I think these things must be open to people because any private money no we are they stole from the public purse, and the public deserve their respect to know who and who is being investigated. So what's what Jessica? I need to know who you collected that particular money from. You understand? So and yes, sir, you see, in as much as the president is trying to do things right, you know, some of these things, you know, will weigh him off. Because people might think, oh, Sano Muninatia or corruption or kind of when you prosecute, you know, but when indeed you are trying to do something right. So I think that these are some of the things that we need to do just to ensure say corruption becomes a high risk venture and people who over the years, you know, have been thriving on some of these things, you know, you bet me I push it away. Now corruption a very high risk venture. There will be consequences. Until we do that, you know, trust me, I'm not sure say Ghana will be what we want it to be.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.